In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mask in Figma. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place an image inside a logo or shape so it looks clean and professional. First, head to the Figma website and open the file or page you want to work on. Once your file is open, take a moment to make sure your design is ready. You'll need two things: the image you want to show and the shape or logo that will define the visible area. Think of the logo or shape as a window and the image as the scenery behind it. Bring your image into Figma if it isn't there already, then drag it onto the canvas near your logo or icon. Position the image so it sits where you want the final result to appear. It's a good idea to make the image slightly larger than the logo so you don't end up with empty edges. If you're working with a detailed logo, zoom in for a quick check to make sure the image covers the entire area you want to fill. Now, make sure the logo or shape you want to use as the mask is placed above the image. In Figma, the top object in the selection will act as the mask, and anything beneath it will be clipped to that shape. If needed, confirm the stacking order in the Layers panel so the logo sits above the image. Select both the logo and the image at the same time. You can do this by clicking one, then selecting the other, or by dragging a selection box around both. With both items highlighted, right-click and choose Use as Mask. That's the whole masking action done. The image will now appear inside the boundaries of your logo or shape, creating that polished, filled look. After the mask is applied, you can fine-tune the result without breaking anything. If the image needs a nudge, double-click to enter the mask group and move or resize the image until the composition feels right. Keep an eye on clarity. If the image looks blurry, try a higher resolution version so it stays sharp inside the logo. If parts of the image aren't showing, it usually means the image doesn't extend far enough under the logo, or the logo wasn't on top when you masked. And that's it. Open your file, prepare your image and logo, place the image underneath, select both, and use as mask. With this simple technique, you can create eye-catching brand treatments, thumbnails, and hero graphics in seconds. Thanks for watching, and happy designing in Figma.